Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an elegant 3-bed, 3.5 bath house for sale. It was designed by famed Jamaican architect Errol Alberga. It is located on Montgomery Way in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. It is in excess of 4,000 square feet and sits beautifully on a approximately 0.27 acre manicured lot. There are 3 levels of living. The entrance level has an office, children's workspace, laundry room, and staff accommodation. The main level has open concept living and dining area with glorious high ceilings that opens to an extensive veranda. The view and cool cross breezes creates an atmosphere of relaxation. There is also an entertainment room which can alternatively be used as a 4th bedroom, kitchen, family den, and outdoor deck. The upper level has 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. The primary bedroom is truly a suite with spacious bedroom, walk-in closet, and a bathroom that fits a shower and a tub. There is also a basement for additional storage, 2-car carport, and water tanks. This home has plenty of space to gather, relax, work, and entertain. Make it your home for years to come. Call today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 85 million, US 538.7 thousand, Canadian 771.1 thousand, Euro 494.8 thousand, or 418.7 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.